Hi everyone, my name is Ron and welcome to the first vlog of the Noy Chef. For today's video, I am making a pasta dish with white smoky cream sauce. To start, we need some ingredients. I've got some bacon in here, some nice mushroom, I've got some shallots, some cheddar cheese, I've got some parsley as well in here, some lemon, I got some stock. You can actually use whatever stock you got at home. I mean, whatever really is okay. I got some double cream in here as well. Last but not the least, I've got some pasta in here that we are gonna boil in a few minutes. So basically, I've got some water in here boiling already. So I'm gonna put a bit of oil in it. There you go. A bit of salt as well, just to taste. Now we can just drop our pasta in. Leave it like that. Just leave it till the pasta soaks down in the water. Next would be the preparation for our sauce. I got some mushroom in here. We need to slice. I'm gonna put a timer on this pasta for like 12 minutes. 12 minutes for the pasta. For now, what I'm going to do on this pasta is I'm going to put it on my induction hob at the back so I can actually start doing our sauce for the pasta itself. Next thing to do is basically hot pan. We want to cook our bacon first. Always remember when you do this one, your pan should be really hot. I'm just gonna wait for a few minutes on this one, and then after that one, we're gonna start adding our mushroom in it. This bacon should be ready in a few minutes, and once this one is done, I'm just gonna transfer the bacon in a new container. I've washed this one just to let you know. I'm just gonna transfer this one in here. Then after this one, I'm gonna drop the mushrooms straight away. While my mushrooms are cooking in there, I'm just gonna buy some shallots as well. Again, just be careful when you're doing this one, as you don't really want to cut your hand. After shallots, I'm gonna add some garlic. Right, once this one is done, you just have to wait for the mushrooms to be fully cooked. Just gonna leave this one for a few minutes and we can start adding our shallots and garlic. Right, that should be fine. Gonna add the bacon in it. Once the bacon and mushroom are ready, we are gonna make a well. Just gonna put it on the side. I'm just gonna put my shallots in it here. There you go. And the garlic as well. Alright, just do it at the same time. Make sure. There you go. I think that's the timer for our pasta. I'm just going to stop this one. I'm going to quickly drain my pasta in the sink. Then I'm going to add a bit of oil in it, just to make sure it doesn't stick together. As we are setting this one on the side, then on this one, I just want to give it a good mix again. I'm gonna add some stock in it. Mix. Then I'm gonna add the double cream as well. There you go. Scoop it up. Don't want to waste. There you go. Just leave this one for like 1 or 2 minutes. You want to simmer it and come back afterwards. While I'm waiting for my sauce, I'm gonna chop some parsley for our garnish. Right, this one should be ready by now. I'm just gonna give it a quick taste as well, just to make sure if it's too salty or if I need to add some more. That is really good, man. Right, once that one is added, I'm gonna add a bit of cheese. I mean, it would be great if you can use cheddar cheese, Parmesan. But then again, as I've said, I didn't manage to get Parmesan cheese. So I thought instead of using Parmesan, I just use cheddar. It's pretty much the same anyway. And give it a good mix again. Just a bit of parsley. And drizzle it with a bit of lemon as well. Look at that. That's really good, man. And then what you want to do on this one is drop the pasta straight away, mate. Give it a good mix. I'm just gonna start plating now. What you want to do is put something on the plate. Look at that. Some parsley. And some cheese. There you have it. Creamy, smoky bacon pasta. That is really good, man. Thanks for watching. See you later.